Welcome back to the Max Bupa Walk for Health. I'm joining you right from the junction point where the 2-kilometer walkers take a U-turn and walk back. And we've got some of the 2-kilometer walkers who are walking back at this point in time. I'm just going to quickly chat with this lady and walk with her before I go across to Shobit. Hi, ma'am. Are you doing the 2-kilometer walk?
No, I complete 5 kilometers now. I'm going.
Oh, you're completing the 5-kilometer already. So you've already set up a very good pace. How was the walk?
Wow, very nice.
Keep walking.
It's very nice. We are enjoying. Yes.
Yeah. So have you come alone or have you come with a group?
I'm alone and my friend is there.
Your friend is there. So, but you seem to have beaten your friend, or is your friend ahead?
He's beaten me. Yeah.
But you walk regularly?
Yeah, regularly. I'm now practicing for a marathon.
You're practicing for a marathon, so this walkathon is nothing but a warm-up for you.
Yes. I missed my class and I came here.
Fantastic. Love your spirit. Please carry on walking. I'll join you at the finish line. So there you go. Let's speak to one or two other people too. Hi guys, you guys completing the 5-kilometer or
Yes,
the 2-kilometer?
5 kilometers.
5-kilometer walk. Nice pace. It's all of you walking together?
Yes,
How many of you?
4 of us.
You're 4 of you. And have you decided to set yourself some time that you're going to set a pace? Am I slowing you guys down a bit?
Little bit.
It's all right. I think you're live on air. India's watching you guys walking for the Walk for Health.
Yes, it's that time of that day of the year when Times Now and Max Bupa encourage people to take up walking as a lifestyle, and I've got some very enthusiastic participants over here of the walkathon, guys. Why are you guys here? Do you walk every day?
Yes, we do walk every day, and it's a message that we are going to give to the entire world that walk is very important. Being a health insurance company, being a part of the health insurance company, it's very. I mean, it's our moral responsibility to give a signal. It's a healthy signal, I say. It's an amazing Sunday, amazing crowd.
So you're enjoying your Sunday?
That's all.
Do you guys walk every day? Do you think walking is the best form of exercise?
Yeah, walking is the best form of exercise and everybody should do it.
So why is walking that good?
Keeps you healthy. And as we are Max Bupa Health Insurance, we want everyone to be healthy.
You guys walk every day and you're promoting walking, is it? Yes. So say that to the camera. Tell everyone that they should walk every day.
Walk every day!
Every step counts?
Yes.
Alright guys, enjoy yourselves. There you see a lot of participants. This is the second year of the walkathon and we've got a lot of participants. The participation is really up from last year and we are seeing a lot of enthusiastic people over here who have taken up walking from last year, and now we are going across to Fida over here for more details and more excitement on the walkathon as more and more participants come over here and tell others to take up walking and make it a part of their lifestyle.
I'm told Griha is with us from Delhi. Griha, over to you.
Okay, Smriti Irani has done her bit, walked for health. How has it been?
I think that I hardly look like the kind of person who walks.
Really, why do you say that?
I look more like a person who sits and possibly debates a lot and sits on a table and reads a lot. But no, as a habit, I've hardly inculcated walking, though I was a sports person before I became a politician. But a good opportunity to catch up, and I think any opportunity you get to start is something that you shouldn't miss.
The fact that Delhi has never looked prettier. You know, early in the morning, you get all set, walking for health. Talk about that.
This is a city I was born and brought up in. There was a lot of hesitation with regards to women walking, and it's very difficult to catch up on a walk in the evenings here. It gives the family a lot of pride. But yeah, early in the morning, walking for health, and I think the health is somewhere guaranteed because Times Now is following you. So do not think that miscreants will try to indulge in any kind of activity there. But as somebody who was born and brought up here, yeah, it brings back a lot of memories of an open city, though now it's closed with fear. But yeah, any opportunity to enjoy the city is welcome.
The fact that there's so much of emphasis on running, especially the youth. How would you ask them to come and walking?
I think that good shoes are important because I've done the running bit, and I think that you don't realize it then, you realize it later, 10 years or 15 years down the line, as to the damage that a bad gait or bad shoes, bad equipment can do to your body. So from somebody who has been an athlete, let me just say that even if you walk, I think walk is good enough, but if you don't think it suffices, you want to run, you make sure you take care of your knees and your back.
And the fact that this is our second year, walkathon is still in its nascent stage, but such a turnout over here. So
I think this should also be appreciated, the fact that apart from every other political activity and every other social activity, the emphasis on health is something that needs to be appreciated, because we as a country normally address health issues only when an emergency comes up. This is a preventive measure, and hence I think more and more people need to understand that if you take care of your health in small measures like this, like a walk or something, then you possibly avoid a bigger catastrophe later with your health.
Okay, and finally, out of the Parliament, Smriti, and around this, how does that feel?
I think that it's a lovely opportunity to catch up with a lot of people. I caught up with some colleagues here on my walk, and we almost got into discussing work, and we both realized it's a Sunday and it's a walk. So yeah, but we did promise to catch up. So dangerous if you walk with colleagues, you just mount up the work, nothing else.
But inculcating is that as a habit, walking.
Yes, I think especially as a mother of two, especially with the kind of stress the rest of the day gets you, this is a good way to begin the day. It clears up your mind and brings about a little bit of freshness.
Okay.
And meeting up with good people is also a reason why I think that this brings a little bit of warmth, because gone are the days that people used to catch up. If you remember, I mean, you must have been very young, but if you remember, there was a time where people would catch up after work, walk in their gully, walk in the parks outside the gully. That is not happening anymore. So I guess.
All right, Smriti. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Phenomenal, isn't it? Were you expecting this kind of turnout?
No, I didn't. I think it's a delightful way to start a Sunday morning, to see so many people of all age groups in such high spirits, cheering each other. It's
You walk yourself
when I walk, I walk. When I stop, then I feel guilty. But this week I've been walking a lot.
And tell our viewers, you being such a big professional yourself and in all walks of life, you think walking is a good de-stressor early in the mornings? It helps you clear your thoughts and get it.
It's the most beautiful thing to do in the morning. I get to do a lot of my creative work while I'm walking. Your day becomes wonderful when you've done your morning walk. I think I love mornings, and walking in the mornings is a fantastic thing to do.
You believe this is a good initiative and that it's happening on this side of the city?
I'm very, very happy that it is. I look at the enthusiasm out here. I think it'll motivate more people to walk. It's a fantastic thing, and it just brings out the spirit of Mumbai.
A lot of people say it's a chore to get up early in the morning and get out of your bed, kick yourself out of the bed and then to start doing it. But it's been a habit in Mumbai, isn't it? All along, you've always seen people out on the streets early in the morning.
Yeah, Mumbai is such a work culture place that people find the time, people do the thing. I walk. Sometimes I walk at Shivaji Park. I see people of 75, 80 years old walking with a walking stick. It makes you feel very guilty. And at the same time, it motivates you.
So what are you doing today, the 2 kilometer or the 5 kilometer?
I want to do more than 5.
Great, Piyush Pandey. Thank you so much for talking to us.
Sorry?
I said thank you so much for talking to us. Have a good walk.
Great to be here. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Thanks. So that was at Guru Piyush Pandey. Phenomenal to see this turnout, isn't it,
Absolutely, absolutely fantastic. It's really encouraging to see so many people out on a Sunday morning, which is fantastic.
You're looking nice and fresh. Are you an early person yourself? Early morning person?
Yeah, I mean, I like mornings. I work out in the mornings and I walk in the mornings. So yeah, I mean, I enjoy coming out on a morning like this. Absolutely.
It's a fabulous initiative, isn't it? Walk for Health.
Yes.
Just bringing to perspective what we do all our time, because Mumbaikars generally like to get out for a walk in the mornings, don't they?
Yes, I think it's a reflection of commitment that people have. So many people who've come in the morning to come and walk. I think that's a great initiative. And for Times Now, for Times that have put this initiative together, I think it's fantastic. Also, as I was saying, it's very important that we get the roads and that aspect to work on and get our voice heard. We've got to get our voices heard for that point of view, because I think it's very...
All right, let's also go across to Shaheen, who joins us from Mumbai. Shaheen, I believe it's a bright and beautiful morning here in Mumbai. There's a little nip in the air as well. Give us a sense of what the mood is like at the moment.
Yes, it's a lovely, bright Sunday morning, and we have a great turnout of people here at Max Bupa Walkathon. And I have two lovely women out here who have senior citizens, and they have completed the 2 kilometer walk, and they will tell us more about the experience.
Yeah, it was a wonderful. This was a nothing new for us. We are the regular members of Laughing Club at the Joggers Park. So we are used to walking. It was lovely. Yeah.
I know. I know you're used to walking, but then this is a different kind of walk. This is walkathon.
This is so very enjoyable. Rather seeing everybody here, this was wonderful.
And ma'am, what about you? Did you enjoy your 2 kilometers?
Yeah, I enjoyed very much. It was very nice, and I think you should, do it more, continue this, and let the people have the awareness that walk is for health, and it was very nice. And we want some more, all this more of walkathon and awareness for the people. And I have finished 2 kilometers.
Yes.
And we are from the Laughing Club, Joggers Park.
So how was the walk? Like, how did it go? Did you talk to other people? This is all about coming together.
We were walking, talking, drinking, eating, and walking.
Oh, wow. So have you participated in this walkathon last year?
No, it was 2 years back. It was on the bridge of...
we did it at the
Bandra Reclamation it was,
Okay.
Yeah, that was nice also,
Will you lovely ladies participate in walkathon next year as well?
Yeah, sure.
If you are like...
Sure.
You will be.
Yes.
So, thank you so much. So that's the feel right here. Like, the spirit is great. People are enjoying the walk here. They've already finished their 2 kilometer walks. It's a lovely turnout. A lot of people have registered, and this is one walk that everyone in Bombay is enjoying right now, including celebrities, common people. People are just loving it here. Back to you in the studio.
To see health enthusiasts there enjoying the walkathon and having a lot of fun along the way. It's time for us to take a quick break here. We'll be right back.